HP docking stations extend your laptop's capabilities with extra ports like HDMI, USB, and Ethernet. This video will guide you through the step-by-step process of properly powering on your HP docking station. Correct power on ensures optimal functionality and prevents potential issues. Let's get started. Powering on an HP dock requires two key actions. First, connect the external power supply using the AC adapter that came with your dock, typically 135 watts for G4 models, and plug it into a working wall outlet. Second, connect the dock's cable, usually USB-C or Thunderbolt, to your laptop's compatible port. The dock should automatically power on. Once connected, check the LED indicators on the dock. A green light usually indicates power is on. A blue light typically signifies a successful data connection between the dock and your laptop. Refer to your dock's manual for specific LED light meanings. If the dock doesn't power on, follow these troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. First, ensure the power adapter is securely plugged into both the dock and a wall outlet. Second, test the wall outlet with another device to confirm it's providing power. Third, inspect the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable for any visible damage that could interrupt power delivery. Finally, try connecting to a different port on your laptop if one is available. Keeping your docking station's firmware updated is crucial. Use the HP Support Assistant software on your laptop to check for and install any available updates. Outdated firmware can lead to power and connectivity problems. HP released version 1.2.3 in Q4 2025. Improving compatibility with Windows 11 and Mac OS. Use HP Support Assistant on your laptop to check for updates. Install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. HP docking stations are designed with safety in mind, featuring multiple protection features to ensure reliable and secure operation. Built-in overvoltage protection safeguards against power surges that could damage your devices. Smart chip technology intelligently regulates power delivery to match your device's needs. For optimal safety and performance, always use the AC adapter provided with your HP dock. These safety features work together to provide peace of mind when using your HP docking station. Consider the HP Thunderbolt Dock G4 as an example. This flagship model offers extensive connectivity and high power delivery for demanding workflows. The HP Thunderbolt Dock G4 features multiple ports including USB-A, USB-C, DisplayPort, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet for comprehensive device connectivity. First, plug the 35-watt AC adapter into the dock's power port and connect it to a wall outlet for power supply. Next, connect the Thunderbolt cable from the dock to a compatible port on your laptop. The Thunderbolt 4 standard ensures high-speed data transfer and power delivery. Once connected, the dock powers on immediately. It supports multiple 4K monitors at high refresh rates, provides Gigabit Ethernet for stable network connections, and enables additional peripherals through its USB ports. If you encounter any power or connection issues, refer to the troubleshooting steps mentioned earlier to resolve them. The future of docking stations involves wireless options and AI-powered features. HP is exploring Wi-Fi 7-enabled docks for cable-free setups. Future docks may also predict usage patterns for automatic device charging. HP is aiming for carbon-neutral products by 2030, emphasizing sustainability in design and packaging. Expect greater universal compatibility with non-HP laptops as well.